Alam mo, in fairness to Attorney Wamel, and contrary to your observation, no? Ang na-observe ko sa kanya, talagang he insisted answering to the question of Senator Amy Marcos, no? Na kahit taliwas sila ng pinupunto at ang kausap niya ay isang senator judge, talagang he maintained his position, and that only shows na talagang may pinaghuhugutan na basis itong testigong ito. At sa pagkakataong yan, paulit-ulit naman niyang sinasabi, ito po ang nakasaad sa joint circular, wala pong sinabing ganyan sa joint circular, naririto po ang probisyon ng joint circular. I think it is the authority or the legal basis na ginagamit ni Attorney Wamel. Why he was so consistent, he was so insistent, and he was so confident in responding to the question of the senator judge, no? Yun ang nakita ko sa kanya na ordinarily, senator judge yan, medyo kakabahan kang sumagot, but it was because sa isang regulation, sa isang batas nang gagaling ang sagot niya. Wamel was so confident, so competent, and so insistent in making sure na masagot niya talaga ang tanong ng senator judge. And I commend him for that, no? I commend him for that.